Hello everyone! So for today's video, ipapakita ko naman sa inyo kung paano gagawin ang sunflower leaf or leaves. So kakailanganin po natin ng 5-ply mill cotton yarn, 3mm hook size, floral tape, wire yung manipis lang pang dahon, okay? Let us start the leaf by making a magic ring. So napakasimpleng magic ring lang po mga kapatid, okay? So, ito ang ating magic ring. Start it by making a chain 1. And then after that, hahawakan lang po natin yung ating ring. Wala muna tayong gagawin dyan. And then after that, chain 1, let's make 1 half double crochet. 1 half double crochet. Work on 1 double crochet into the ring. After this, let's make 7 treble crochet. Okay? So yarn over 1 time and yarn over 2nd time. Insert our hook into the ring and grab the yarn. So, kailangan po natin ng total of 4 loops sa ating hook. And then, let's grab the yarn, pull through 2 loops. So, may natira tayong 3 loops. Grab the yarn again, pull through 2 loops again. Hanggang sa 2 loops na lang po ang matitira sa ating hook. Grab the yarn and pull through 2 loops again. So, meron na tayong 1 treble crochet. Let's work on 6 treble crochet. Let's check how many stitches na ang meron. So, yung chain 1 is counted as first single crochet. So, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Meron na tayong total of 10 stitches. And then, let's work on double treble. Let's work on double treble crochet. Hay, napakahirap ng buhay. So, let's yarn over 1, 2, and 3 times. Okay? Insert our hook into the magic ring, grab the yarn. At katulad lang ng ginawa natin treble crochet, grab the yarn, and then yarn over. And let's pull through 2 loops. Okay? So, 1, 2, 3, 4 times po natin gagawin yon. And then after this one, babalik na tayo dun sa pattern ng 7 treble crochet. Okay? So, isa lang yung ating double treble crochet. And then, balik na tayo sa 7 treble crochet. 1, 2, 3. So, this is our 1 treble crochet. And then, work on 6 more. Okay, so after 7 treble crochet, let's make 1 double crochet. 1 half double crochet, and single crochet. This time, you can pull the tail to close up the ring. Ingat lang ha. Okay. So, nag-create tayo ng isang heart shape. Yan. So, pull it tightly. May tendency na magkaroon ng visible hole dito, pero okay lang yon. We can secure it later kapag natapos na natin yung ating dahon. So, tapusin natin ang ating first round. So, slip stitch lang natin dito. Okay? And then, after that, chain 1. So, sa second round ng ating dahon, kailangan lang natin mag-increase every stitch. Okay? So, after chain 1, into the first top chain, let's work on 2 single crochet. So, kailangan natin ng 2 single crochet into this first top chain. And then, after that, the rest of the stitches, hanggang dito, sa second to the last stitch, 2 half double crochet na lang. Okay? So, let's make half double crochet into the next stitch. And 1 more half double crochet into the same stitch. Uulitin na lang po natin yon hanggang makarating tayo dito sa second to the last stitch. Kasi yung last stitch ay kailangan natin ng 2 single crochet. This is our last stitch for the half double crochet. 1 and 2. To the last stitch, let's make 1 single crochet and 1 more single crochet. Slip stitch into the joining stitch. And from here, we can hide our wire na po para maging mas may structure yung ating dahon. So, let's chain 1. This will be our third round. Working together with the wire, itatago na po natin yan. And we just need to work on 1 single crochet, 1 in each stitch. Itago ang wire. Okay? Mag-ingat, baka matusok ng wire ang mata. Okay? So, tuloy-tuloy lang po tayo at magkita-kita tayo dito sa may patusok na part. Okay? Kasi may pagbabago ng pattern dyan. Okay, kapag nandito na po tayo sa center part, so paano mo malalaman ang center? Trace mo lang from here, yung pinaka-center ng ating stitch dito. And then, sundan natin pataas. So, dito na yon. Yan. Make 1 single crochet. And then, let's chain 1 before we work on 1 single crochet into the same stitch. So, kailangan lang natin yung chain 1 para mag-create siya ng sharp shape dun sa dulo ng ating leaf. And then, from there, we can continue our 1 single crochet, 1 in each stitch. Okay, magkita-kita po tayo sa last stitch ng round na ito. To end this round, mag-slip stitch na lang po tayo dito sa joining stitch. Okay? And then, let's cut our yarn. Pwede pa po nating hilahin yung ating tail. Kaya lang alalay ha, kasi ang milk cotton yarn napuputol din yan kasi medyo hindi siya strong katulad ng polyester yarn. Okay, at tapos ibuhol lang po natin sila para safe na yung ating center, yung ating magic ring. And then from here, ayusin nyo na lang yung dahon nyo. Yan. And then, Pagsamahin nyo po yung wire at saka yung tail, and then twist them together. Twist them together. Lagyan na natin siya ng floral tape bago natin ilagay, syempre, sa ating sunflower. Stretch muna before using. Ngayon, pwede na nating ilagay ang ating dahon ng sunflower dito sa bulaklak. So, lagay natin ng gamitan ulit natin ng floral tape. Tadan! So, eto na siya. Ilalagay ko na lang po sa description box ng video na ito ang link ng mga shop kung saan tayo pwedeng makabili ng materials. 5-ply mill cotton yarn, floral wire, floral tape. Okay? So, maraming salamat po sa panunood. Enjoy nyo lang ang paggawa ng mga bulaklak. Bye-bye!